I don't even know how to start off this video. I don't even know what I'm gonna call it. I think I'll just call it I'm a mess or something. Hi, I have been a bit absent lately, and I don't even know where to start. I guess the last couple of weeks I haven't really been feeling myself. I've been feeling you know, quite emotional, quite sad, quite anxious. You know, I think it's probably, you know, every year around this time that I get a bit the winter blues or something. I don't know. I have had a few things happen in my life. It's not something that I'm ready to share at this point in time. And I'm okay. Everyone's okay. Nothing bad has really happened. It's just that I'm going through something at the minute, and I think for me, like, one of the hardest things is there's some things that I want to keep personal to myself, and because I share so much of my life with you guys, there's such a fine line between what I want to keep to myself and then what I share with you, and then what I am not sharing. I feel like I'm lying to you guys, and it's totally okay that I want to keep things to myself and not share them with the world. I didn't want the tears to start this soon. Every day people go through things and they don't have to share them with the world. It's just that I happen to share my life with the world. And for me, it's been a struggle to be able to film because of what I'm going through at the minute. And oh my god, just stop. And for me, it's been a real struggle to film, and I feel like if I were to come on and be like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, today I'm doing a get ready with me, I feel like I would be lying to you guys, because I don't put on a facade for you guys. I don't. This is so much harder than what I thought it would be. I thought I'd be ready. I wanted to film this video last week. I wanted to film it yesterday. I wanted to film it during the week. And you know, there's just never been the right time to film this kind of video. And it's just like, I know you guys are gonna leave and say, what the frick is going on with Crystal? Like, you know, we don't even know. And it's not that I even want you guys to speculate or anything like that. It's just that I want you to know that I'm not feeling myself and that I'm not feeling okay. It's not the end of the world, and chances are I'll be completely normal tomorrow or next week, or you know, it's just a rough patch that I'm going through right now. I talk to my friends on a daily basis, and you know, from what I understand with them, you know, it's normal for people to go through things like this. And I guess what I'm saying is, like, you know, it's okay to be sad. You know, it's okay to go through a rough patch, because you'll come out at the end of it, and you know, you just find out that there's some people that you can really lean on that really care about you and that will get you through that. But for me, I've just been struggling. I'm sure, you know, my regular subscribers would know that I haven't been uploading as regularly as I was, and it was like I was just on this high. I was creating so much content, I had ideas flowing, I was so motivated, and then all of a sudden I knew, like, before I knew it, it crashed. I haven't been able to film, and also, you know, I felt like I wanted to film this video to get it off my chest, because I am so honest with you guys, and I don't think that I could just jump back into filming one of my usual videos without having this update for you guys. You know, like, at the end of the day, I am just an average person just like you, and I sit and talk to a camera in my house. I'm not special by any means. I just am a normal person living their life and sharing it with you guys. I think that some people might forget that from time to time. I'm not some superwoman. I'm just like you. And I go through ups and downs. For the past couple of weeks, I've just been thinking, you know, like, every day, tomorrow's going to be a better day. Tomorrow I'll feel like filming. Tomorrow, you know, I can just push this to a side push these feelings, what I'm feeling, all my emotions, everything to the side, and just get on with filming. Because you know what, ultimately that's what I love doing. I love doing what I do on YouTube, like whether, you know, it's making a video about new makeup, or sharing, you know, my thoughts on a product, or showing the food that I ate that day, or just sitting down and talking with you guys. I love doing it. I feel like this was just holding me back, and I don't even know why, because I'm just sitting here crying, talking to the camera, which is totally useless. You know, there's so much pressure around social media these days. You know, I feel like it's definitely a different place to what it used to be when I first started. And I know there's a lot of people that are having the same feelings towards YouTube. Just, you know, you put so much effort and time into videos, but all I can do is be myself. And I'm so proud of my channel. I'm literally like so proud. I know there was a video that I made last year, and it was basically me having a cry. Actually, no, I don't even think that I cried. It was just me doing my makeup, and I had a chat with you guys. And it was me saying, you know, I'm struggling because I don't know what I want to do. Like, because I want to make these videos about all of these things that I'm interested in, and I don't know how to do it. And you know what? I've done it. I've made videos about cakes, about makeup, about my keto, about food, about everything, anything that I want to make, about home decorating. I've been doing that, and I'm so proud of how far my channel has come and the diversity of it. I'm really, really proud, and I've worked so hard this year. And I know as a content creator, I know when you take a step back, there's a chance that you don't have that momentum, and you know, people will stop watching and your views won't pick up and things like that. And it's really, really hard to be able to take a break when you need that break, because the reality is that as a creative person, you can't be on that level of continually pumping out the content without it wearing you down. And I know some people think, oh, YouTube's so easy, social media is such an easy job, but the reality is that it is so emotionally draining. It can really take its toll on you from so many different points of views, from putting our heart and soul into everything that we create, to, you know, like reading the comments, the good and the bad comments, you know, feeling that pressure. And not only the pressure from maybe perhaps our audience, but the pressure that we put on ourselves. I know that I put a lot of pressure on myself, and I know that I shouldn't, but I can't help it. It's who I am. I feel like I can finally breathe. One step forward. Even if I don't even upload this video, I don't know. I just wanted to get this off of my chest and out to you guys. Let you know that I'm okay. I'm just going through something at the moment, and I have my good days and my bad days, and you know, it's something that I'm gonna work through. And yeah, I'll get there. I'm okay. I'm not doing this for sympathy whatsoever. It's just that I needed to be honest with you guys, because I've always been honest. And you know, like I tried to vlog the other day and I just couldn't, because I felt like I was lying to you guys. I just wanted, you know, a nice happy vlog, because you know what? I love watching vlogs. And I know that there's so many of you that really do enjoy the vlogs as well. But I just, you know, if you're not in the right headspace, there's no point in creating the content. I feel really good now. I feel like I can move on. Sometimes you just need to close that chapter in order to move on, and you know, talk it out, get it off your chest and things like that. So anyway, here is to moving on. I'm okay. I'll come out with more content soon. Yeah, I literally haven't filmed in 3 weeks, so the longer you leave it, the harder it is to get back into it. I know it sounds a bit silly, but yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you've made it to the end of me having a whinge, I'm sorry, I'm such a whingy bitch. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing really, really well, and I will be back really soon with some new content. If you've got any ideas, please let me know what you'd like to see down below. Yeah, I'll see you really soon. Bye.